Hello friends. So this is another map for a small house, size about 22 foot 6 inches by 61 feet. This plot is not straight, so you can see here's a bend over there, and the front side is 18 feet 10 inches only. So it's about 3 feet, approximately 3 to 4 feet difference is there. So I have designed it for the client. So you can see from here we go inside porch and same 3 steps upside to enter in the house, stairs going upside to the porch. On this side, you can see there are 3 steps, and we can enter in the drawing room, a small toilet for the drawing room. We enter from in the house, we see a small kitchen, 10 feet by 8 inches. Then there's a hall 21 feet by 12 feet. It's a medium sized hall, pretty enough for this size of the house. The rear side, you can have 2 bedrooms, 10 feet 4 inches by 13 feet, with 2 bathrooms and a central open courtyard OTS, open to sky for the ventilation purpose. You can see windows is from the bedroom and from the bathroom also. So it's a plenty good. It's a good size, about 4 feet 6 inches by 7 feet 2 inches for the bathrooms. So this only they have asked for the ground floor. So this I have done for them. So this for your reference. In any time you can use it for your reference anywhere. It will help you to design your own house.